welcome to the Blessed Tech. So today I'll show you guys on how to go about this vote. Okay, vote 7 campaign not to be eligible because most people participate here and I don't know how they'll be eligible because they don't participate on their uh minimum wage flows. Alright. So let's click on end area. Then I think I'm having network issues. Let it load a little bit because I'm going to show you some things you need to do. Alright, so this is it. So I'll click on this icon here to check because the campaign will end on 20th, which is maybe next tomorrow or past next tomorrow. Yeah, the campaign will end for as for this is season one. Alright, so click on check details. Alright, so as you can see, they said this is what we are looking at here. Alright, let me point it out for you. Alright, so you can see here, you can see very well. Alright, it says we have to do a minimum wage of 10 minimum volume of $10 an account. All right, so all we need to do here is just for us to deposit uh, money. But before we do that, make sure you are top 300 on the rank. Check your rank if you're top 300. All right, in the leaderboard. I mean the leaderboard, right? Then you're going to register with your email address here. Then you submit your email address. Make sure you everything you're doing uh during your registration you're using Tonso as a referral. All right, so that's to go about that. So let me click on leaderboard right now currently because I think I've already played that much, but I think I'm there leaderboard. All right, for 7 days top uh 152. That's for 7 days. So I don't know if the snatcher is going to be for 7 days. Uh, okay, so let me check that's the 1 month. 1 month. If I'm on their leaderboard, I need to confirm so you won't waste the money because that money you're going to use here is just for you to go and play again. See, that game is usually 50. It's double chance. All right, you can either lose or win. All right, for 1 month, I'm top 200, 200 plus 209. All right, let me check 1 year if I'm on the leaderboard for 1 year. All right, for 1 year, I'm top 242. All right, that's for 1 year. So I'm qualified to do this particular task. All right, so straight to their site. All right, uh, let's head straight to their site. Let's go down a little. Then I've registered before, but I'll click on the link right now. Let me see where the link is taking me to. All right, once you click on the link, it said Tonso invited you. Okay, join Tonso, blah blah blah, and reward 1% check back if you gain. You click on connect wallet here. All right, make sure that the email that you use is the same thing to what you put there. Okay, so I'll click on email here. So to ask you to put in your email. All right, your email address. All right, click on submit. They'll send you a code to your email. All right, just go there and copy. Oh, damn. So it will ask you to claim your bonus once you put in the code. All right, so let's click on claim the bonus. I've already done my before, but I'll just start. Let's ask me to do the same thing. If you don't have this thing, you have to you can see you say you already used the referral code and have which can you use one code before first? Okay, so already I've done the code already. So this is where to get your They will ask you to put your username, what's it called, username, all of that. Once you are, so this is where to get your address from, or here, or settings. But let me click on this icon here. Let me click on this icon here. Let me click on this icon here to see my wallet address. Let me click on it. So as you can see, you see a wallet address here. All right. Click on copy to copy your wallet address. Then take it to your exchange or anywhere you have that Ethereum, Arbitrum. Listen carefully. Ethereum Arbitrum. There you fund your account. All right. So let me go and. So once you place the wallet address, what you need to do here is you do everything details about this stuff. Then click on confirm to send your money to send the money to the account. All right. All right, guys. So I've deposited $4 here. So as you can see, that's reflected. So what I need to do here, I'll click on. Okay, already I've played bonus already before. So okay, what I need to do here is to go and play game. Okay, click on game here, like so that it will complete my $10 minimum wages. So these are the games that are here. So I'm going to play this game, this conflict. All right. So I think that one will be better for me. So once it loaded, so this is how it's going to look like. All right. So this games is about head and tails. All right. So we're going to make a bet about them. I think things still loading. Oh, wait, something's wrong. All right. Okay. Click on adjust. Let me see 25%. Let me see. Okay, 25% to give you 0 point. Okay, 25%. So using 0.59 dollar. So let me click on play.